In EA Sports FC 26's Path to Pro Career Mode, players may encounter a problem where the diving in objective, involving precise diving tackles and interceptions, is completed, but the associated rewards cannot be claimed. This issue primarily stems from software bugs that cause a desynchronization between your local game save and EA's cloud servers. When diving in is completed in-game, the local game may mark it as done, but the claim may fail to register on EA's servers due to API errors or connectivity glitches. This prevents rewards, such as XP boosts or player unlocks, from being properly credited to the player's account. Standard troubleshooting includes verifying game files, ensuring stable internet connection, minimum 10 Mbps, and attempting to claim rewards immediately after completion. Playing on a single console can also help avoid cross-device synchronization issues. EA has addressed the diving in reward claim bug through several patches, most notably Title Update 6, released in March 2025. This update resolved synchronization issue where completed objectives were not registering on EA's servers. However, some issues may still persist, especially on platforms like PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X during peak hours. If you encounter this problem, restart your console or relog into your EA account. Consider deleting local save data and reloading from a cloud backup. Monitor EA's official forums and community channels for the latest updates and potential workarounds. If the issue continues, contact EA support directly to report the bug and seek assistance. Some players have found success using VPNs for stable connections during peak hours. Note that resolving this issue quickly is important, as historically, users who abandon Path to Pro can miss out on potential microtransaction revenue.